What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mills, and I'm back with another sneaker review for today, July 4th, Independence Day. So let's get into it. Here we have Nike More Uptempo White Midnight Navy. So when I saw that these were gonna come out, I had to get a pair. So here you have them, guys. These are the Air More Uptempos, the Olympic Pippins, as what we call them. These actually released again, and I am so happy that they did. I actually had the Bulls colorway from a few years ago, where this was patent leather, but this time I got the actual Olympic Pippins with the 8 on the back, Nike swoosh on the back as well. That's a beautiful shot right there. So you got your white leather with your navy suede nubuck. I guess it's not really suede, it's like a nubuck. And you got your laces, navy blue laces. You got your red swoosh on the tongue. On the inside is just a navy blue insole with your white Nike Air, navy all around, navy everything. On the bottom though, you got a couple differences. You got your Nike swoosh in red, your other Nike swoosh in red with air, and then gold for the Olympic touch. As you remember, these are the 1996, where Scottie Pippen wore them in the Olympic Games when he made it into the Olympics that year. When he played for the Olympics that year. So this is the sneaker that he wore. I will put a picture right here. And as you can see, one side air, other side air as well. This is a very dope shoe. I'm really excited I was able to scoop these up. Shout out to my boy from Instagram that sent me the link to the website to buy them when they really weren't that hot to get yet. Now I don't think you can even find them in any stores. Maybe once the city opens back up, maybe it'll be in store again, but for now they're not easy to find anymore that I know of. Also on the back of this one, you also got the 8, so got both pairs have 8 on the back. It's just really nice. I really love the sneaker. I'm really excited, happy that I was able to get these. Once again, happy 4th to you and your family and everybody out there. You guys have a blessed day on the 4th of July. Get them barbecues going if you can. If you're not in a quarantine city, spend time with family. I know right now it's hard, but we gotta keep it going, keep it moving. Hopefully one day we'll get back to normal, but for now this is a little way of bringing some type of normal to the world with my YouTube videos, and this is like a little getaway from myself. And that's a stitched Nike swoosh right there, stitched right into the leather. Man, these are freaking dope. I can't wait. I'm waiting for the Air Max Sensations to retro again. I really want to get another pair. Well, those, when I was growing up, they were called Chris Webbers. Those were the Chris Webbers with the one on the back. But, you know, he's not with them no more, so they took that one off on the retros. It just said, I think, Nike Air and whatnot, but I'm waiting for those to retro as well. Let me know what sneakers you guys are waiting for Nike to retro that is not like a big sneaker known wise. It's not a Jordan 1, it's not a Nike Dunk, like, you know, something under the radar. Let me know what you guys think. Also, that's a gold bubbles in there on the insole, on the bubble. It's gold, so it's pretty dope touch. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.